Nice. The factory system is up and running. First in Britain, and then the United States, and Belgium, and Germany, and eventually onto Russia and even Japan. We've concentrated production into a single location, the factory, and specialized the labor so that one person can do a simple task over and over and over. Today, we tackle the tech that made the Industrial Revolution revolutionary. There's a ton of new technology in this period. It's kind of the whole point. Let's go to the map. I tried to map all of the major technological advancements in the Industrial Revolution. You can see that since the whole thing started in Great Britain, I had to blow up Great Britain to a larger size so that you could see all of the advancements that took place there. Notice these are mostly the early stuff, what we call the First Industrial Revolution. But as the revolution spread, so did the innovation, and the United States took the lead. Don't get lost in all of the innovations on this magnificently designed map. The College Board breaks it down into 3 chunks here. First, power! The first industrial revolution is going to be powered by Cole and James Watt's steam engine. Towards the end of this period, the internal combustion engine came to prominence, fueled by oil and gasoline. The College Board calls this the fossil fuels revolution. This is when humans turned to coal and oil to fuel their new machines. Second, the second industrial revolution. Let's head back to the map. The first industrial revolution was all about steam engines powering textile machines. There's other stuff like farming equipment as well, but that's the main idea of the first industrial revolution, steam and textiles. Now look at the timeline at the bottom. Around 1870, the second industrial revolution began. These inventions are more modern and propel humanity into the contemporary period. This is stuff like steel and chemicals, electricity, and precision machinery. If the first industrial revolution is steam and iron, the second industrial revolution is oil and steel. Third, the earth shrinks. Not literally. The College Board wants you to know that the tech of the Industrial Revolution, like the stuff on the map here, vastly accelerated the movement of people and communication. Things like railroads, steamships, the telegraph, the radio. We all got a little closer to one another thanks to the Industrial Revolution. So there's a million technological innovations that you could talk about during the Industrial Revolution. But you need to focus on the 3 big tech ideas. 1, power from the steam engine and the internal combustion engine. 2, the continued advancement of the Industrial Revolution through the end of this era in what is known as the Second Industrial Revolution. And 3, the improvements to transportation and communication. Okay, but how did governments in countries where they weren't doing industrial things kind of implement industrial things? See you tomorrow.